The best way to not get scammed as a trader and investor, that's the quick topic here that I want to talk about. And I really hope that I state the obvious, but if I don't, then now you know. And maybe you think, why would you ever spend any amount of money doing this? Well, I'm going to show you why. And quite frankly, people just aren't aware. People, when you don't know what you don't know, the Dunning-Kruger effect, part of not knowing is what I'm going to show you here. So like I said, I really hope you understand this and you're like, I can't believe I just spent the next couple minutes watching this. But for those of you that look at the comment and don't see anything wrong, well then this is certainly who the video is for. And if you just take hold of this one fact I'm going to share with you, you will prevent yourself from getting scammed, because all these scams, as far as what I've seen, have this thing in common. So let's get to it. So on Instagram, I got this message. Hi, I'm a beginner and interested in trading. Do you also teach trading? So far, so good. Somebody's wanting to learn. Somebody's asking if I teach, so they realize I need knowledge. So yeah, at this point, so far, so good. I tell them yes, and then I give them my site, claytrader.com, and they quickly reply back, how much does the program cost? And now this next comment they send me, I want you to ask yourself as I read through it, do you see anything that's potentially wrong? Do you see any certain, just anything? Do any alarm bells go off? And if so, what's making them go off? They then say, and how much do you guarantee I make afterwards? And how much do you guarantee I make afterwards? Did anything stand out in that statement? I hope you're saying guarantee is setting off all kinds of alarm bells. Yes, absolutely. This is the thing you need to know. I've lost track of how many people that have gotten scammed because, a fake me messages them on social media or somebody else. But this goes for anything. Anything really in the world of personal finance, but especially in the world of trading, where they're offering you a guarantee, it is a scam. Run the other way. I don't care how good anything sounds. Anything that is guaranteeing you something is a scam. And as this person demonstrated, some people they show up thinking that guarantees exist. And if you think a guarantee exists and then somebody offers you a guarantee, you will fall for the scam, because anybody that offers a guarantee is a scammer. But if what they offer you believe exists, then you are going to get scammed. So understand, guarantees do not exist. And if you understand this, you are going to prevent yourself. You're not going to allow yourself to get scammed. So hopefully you already knew this, but if you didn't, now you know. If you see the word guarantee, run the other way. That's all I have to tell you. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.